surface of my world is so beautiful this time of year. When the ash settles just right, it reflects the sunlight in a prismatic scatter. 3 generations have passed since they burned the planet. 3 generations since they fled to their bunkers and left us to die in the atomic fires that they started. Now they stir once more. The signs are everywhere. Stabilized weather, lower radiation levels, our fields become fertile once again. The barbarian nations will return to the surface and take what we have built in their wake. And I say to you, tribes of Charridon, no! The weak shall choke on the ash of their greed, and the strong shall inherit the world. Glory to Charridon!